How to join a private server in Roblox Mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, make sure you have Roblox installed and logged in. After that, open Chrome and scroll down by searching Roblox servers. Click on private servers for free. After you've found private servers for free, you will find the link of the private server. After you find the link of the private server, simply click on the link, which will directly lead you to their private servers. As you can see, if you simply click on the private server link, I'm directly linked to the private server. And this is how to join a private server in Roblox Mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.